Okay, so we are into this third section down here. I'm actually gonna dump this water really quickly. So if you need a water change, now is a good time. And I'm actually just gonna leave these colors on my table because I could potentially use them. But if you wipe them off, that's fine too. All right, so this third section down here is just asking you to practice mixing different color schemes. The color schemes, you took notes on those, so you should have a nice little list of them. If you want to look back at your notes, you could Google them as well. That's up to you. So, complementary color scheme. We know that complementary are two opposites on the color wheel. So red and green, blue and orange, blue, violet, and yellow, orange. So I'm asking you to mix 4 sets. So I already have a yellow, orange here. Yellow, orange, the opposite is blue, violet, which I happen to already have mixed. And remember, we're trying to not create a bleed, so you might want to leave a teeny little gap in between there. All right, I happen to have some red orange already mixed. And the opposite is blue green, which I happen to have mixed. Then maybe I'll do a red. And the opposite of red is green, which I have a blue green and a yellow green. I'll just kind of mix back into that to make a good green. So you get what I'm doing here. You don't have to choose the colors that I'm choosing. You could choose whatever colors you want. Analogous colors are next to each other on the color wheel. So let's say red, red, orange, and orange. So red, I already have some red, orange, and I need to make this more of an orange. Actually, that one seems kind of orangey to me now that I'm looking at it. So I'll make this a more of a red orange, and that's my orange. Yellow, green, yellow, yellow, orange. I don't know, whichever ones you want to put in here. So I'm just doing one example for the sake of time. You're going to fill all these boxes in with something different. All right, monochromatic. So monochromatic means one color. So whatever color you want. We have maybe blue, and we know that a tint is a later version of that color, so this is going to be just different tints of blue. If you have black watercolor at home and you want to add just a touch of black in here and mix it in to make darker, then make like a shade of that blue, you can totally do that too. If not, it'll just be tints. No problem there. All right, triadic, evenly split on the color wheel. So red, blue, and yellow, violet, green, and orange, red, violet, blue, green, yellow, orange, you know, whichever triadic color schemes you want to put in there. Then split complementary, I think is kind of like the hardest, oh man, sorry, I hit that again. The hardest one to visually see. So red and green are complements of each other. So instead of green and red, red splits. So green, red, violet, red, orange. So let's do another example. Yellow and violet. Instead of violet, it splits. So then I have yellow, blue, violet, red, violet. So that's a split complementary. So you're gonna put 2 examples of triadic, 2 examples of split complementary. And that will be the end of this.